Alright, hello to everyone. Today we are going to be doing an operation on this Sony SVE14112FXW laptop. In 2022, it's one of the older laptops on the shelf. So today we are going to be doing an upgrade, going from a hard drive, which is in here, to an SSD. And the SSD is the SP solid state drive and the A55, and it's 512 gigabytes. Let me just adjust so you can see it. Yep. But time to go. And I won't be trying this out with this. I will be using an external enclosure to attach this via USB to my laptop. Easiest way to take off these things, just pull off the top. And there you see it exposed. Yeah, the instructions is right on the back. Yeah, I love it. The instructions is on the back. And so put it back on just like this. screw them right back in. Also for these operations, I'm sure to get you a magnetic screwdriver. It'll be easier to put back the screws. A lot easier. And as you can see, that thickness, wow, there is now that space there. So you can see how thin the SSDs are compared to the hard drives, if you could see it from here.